nearly 150-year-old clock tower at Kozhikode Railway Station collapsed onto platform number 2 on July 9th, narrowly averting what could have been a major tragedy. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. The collapse occurred at around 11:10 a.m. while the Kozhikode Kannur Passenger Train was stationed at platform number 2. Railway staff were present in the area at the time but managed to move to safety moments before the aging structure came crashing down. There were reportedly no passengers near the site, preventing a serious tragedy. According to preliminary reports, authorities had earlier warned about the deteriorating condition of the nearly 150-year-old clock tower and had expressed concerns over its structural stability. Kozhikode has been experiencing heavy rainfall over the past few days, raising further concerns about the structural stability of the aging tower. Officials said the collapse occurred while precautionary safety measures were being undertaken. Following the incident, railway authorities barricaded the affected area as a precaution, fearing that the remaining portion of the clock tower could also collapse. Railway officials are closely monitoring the situation and have urged the public to stay away from the affected area until it is declared safe. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.